First one is let's begin. Suman was playing in the garden with her friends. It was very pleasant morning. All the children were enjoying and suddenly Suman was bitten a honeybee on her hand. She started crying. All her friends gathered around her to see what had happened. Her mother immediately came and she then pressed her hand where the bee had bitten so as to remove the sting or thorn. She took Suman home and immediately applied ice on the affected area. She then applied some cold cream and then took her to a doctor. The doctor appreciated the mother for giving basic help till the medical treatment was available. Do you know what this basic help is known as? This basic help is known as first aid. Next is safety. Accident can happen anywhere. So it is important for us to be alert. As a famous saying goes, prevention is better than cure. You should take proper safety measures at home or outside to prevent accident. Not only this, you should also know about the basic care to be taken in different situations. Next is road safety. In olden days, there were not many vehicles on the road, but with the time, the number of vehicles has increased. People these days drive carelessly, putting themselves and other at risk. The traffic police handles all the traffic on the road to ensure the safety of not only people moving in vehicles but also walking on roads. People walking on the sides of the road are known as pedestrians. Did you know that there are safety rules for pedestrians too to follow on the road? So first one is safety rules for pedestrians. Sonu and Mona were playing in the park. Suddenly, the ball rolled off to the main road. Sonu ran to pick up the ball without being aware of a bus coming from the other end. The traffic policeman saw this and immediately picked up Sonu. He was very angry with Sonu. He explained that when on the road, everyone needs to follow some important rules to avoid accidents. He explained the following rules. Never walk alone on the road. Young children should walk with adults and hold their hands while crossing the road. Do not play on the street. Always cross the road at zebra crossing. At places where there is no zebra crossing, be more careful. Look left, right, and left, and then cross the road. Always make yourself visible, especially during night, by wearing bright colored cloths. Never use phones or read books while crossing the road. Sonu promised that from now on he will be very careful. Next is safety rules for vehicle drivers. Wearing helmets while riding a two-wheeler is very important. People face serious consequence in an accident if they ignore wearing helmets. Similarly, wearing a seat belt while driving a car can save us from a lot of injuries in case we meet an accident. Next is signboards to follow traffic rules. First one is follow the speed limit on the road. Never jump off the red light. Wear a helmet while riding a two-wheeler. Next is always wear seat belt when in a car. It protects you at the time of accident. Give way to the ambulance.